Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present to you the CCI30 cryptocurrency index. It was first launched on January 1st, 2017, and it is a rules-based index designed to objectively measure the overall growth, daily and long-term movements of the blockchain sector. It serves as a tool for passive investors to participate in this asset class and serves as an industry benchmark for investment managers. How does it do this? By tracking the 30 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, excluding stablecoins. Now you might wonder why they decided to use the 30 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. The reason is because the coins below this cutoff are not very liquid, and therefore it would impair the performance of the index as an investment vehicle. Additionally, the top 30 cryptocurrencies capture 90% of the total market cap. Some of the results: the index has turned out to be a better investment vehicle than Bitcoin itself and a much safer approach than trying to pick single coins. It has been established as a replicable index for passive funds and future ETFs, becoming the industry standard for cryptocurrencies. Additionally, investing in the index allows for profit from the unforecastable rise of some cryptocurrencies while limiting the losses deriving from the fall of others. At its core, it would be an investment vehicle which would allow a passive investor to participate in the growth potential of the cryptocurrency space. Now, these goals meant the index needed to be diversified, have a deep coverage of the cryptocurrency space, and have as good a risk-adjusted performance profile as possible. Some of the challenges: the cryptocurrency space is extremely volatile, new coins appear almost daily, and the lion's share of the entire cryptocurrency market cap is in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which would mean that a normal market cap weighted index along the lines of the S&P 500 would not work very well. Some of the relevant formulas for the CCI30 index are the index formula and the market capitalization computation. Notice that they use an exponentially weighted moving average for the market cap. Now, I wanted to show you the CCI30 and how it looks like. This is a daily chart, and these are the 30 constituents or coins that it uses for its index. Anyways, thank you. I'll see you in the next one.